So my dad's on his way over here. We're gonna go drive up to Flagstaff today, get our place we're staying at, which is my ex-brother-in-law's condo up there. He's letting us use it for the weekend, which is awesome. And tomorrow morning we are going to the expo. So stay tuned, it should be fun. So we've been waiting about 15 minutes to get a go symbol to walk across the street. And we're pushing buttons and things and nothing's happening. It's one way to keep tourism under control. We just stopped to have some, maybe have a beverage and some food, waiting around. We're waiting for my ex-brother-in-law to bring the keys to the condo, but he won't be here for a couple hours. So we're at this place right here. Mike, if you're listening to this or watch this video, we appreciate you letting us borrow this place. I just know during the Overland Expo it was going to be busy, so I didn't know if I could even find a place to camp. So we got this place from Mike to let us use it. It's just overcrowded in Flagstaff right now. Here's the bathroom. So I know it'd be hard to find a place. So luckily he came through and helped us out. It's freaking awesome. Let my dad sleep in here. It's just a 1-bedroom. And then I'm going to put a cot up right here and sleep out here. Patio. Some chairs. So yeah, well, we're gonna head out of here and go walk around Flagstaff or mess around a little bit.
Good one.
Well, good morning, everybody. This is day 2 in Flagstaff. If you're still with us, we are staying in a family member's condo up there. You see my dad and we are going to the Overland Expo this morning. The main reason we came out here, but yesterday we just kind of hung out downtown Flagstaff and went to some breweries and ate some food and whatnot. So, but today we're heading over there in a couple hours. We're up too early as usual, but we can head over there in about a couple hours to start parking and whatnot. So they have this little trail right here that I don't know where it goes, but it's right here behind these condos. So I'm just walking it, seeing where it goes here. Get my morning stretch on. Already had my coffee and brushed my teeth, so I'm good to go. If you haven't already, it'd be super awesome if you guys would like and subscribe to the channel. It gets me motivated to keep going. I'd really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my content. After this video, I'm actually heading to Greece for a couple weeks. Greece and Italy. So I'll be putting out a video or two of that. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. I understand it's not outdoor stuff, but I'll be outdoors in Greece.
Yeah, and that's like usually the spot, right? Yeah, sell a lot more even.
That's pretty cool.
Well, I'm sure that's going to be. A small thing.
There's a little shower in there, but man, it's little. That's what you need right here.
Nope, don't need that.
If you haven't seen this guy's YouTube channel, it's pretty cool. We venture further. See up there on his windshield.
You're limited to about right there. Okay?
Oh yeah.
With ours, with that roller, since we've eliminated that friction, now one more quick pull, and we sold these out every show. Okay, it's a little carabiner design. Okay, so clip in. Everyone's buying them for this windy weather they're saying we're gonna get. All you do, okay, wind's kicking up. All you give one pull. Wind buffeting doesn't affect that. No crazy knots, and then when you're done, you just go ahead and unclip it.
Yeah, that's awesome. How cool are these hammocks up here on this deck?
$7, sorry. I'm trying to look for this.
Why are you always cussing on my videos? Well, I think that's it for today. Another Overland Expo checked off. This one was a big year. There's a lot of people here. A lot of vendors, a lot of stuff. But I just got a bag full of stickers and patches, and I was famous with, what was it, Nexus Tires interviewed me and my dad and gave us a free t-shirt. So that was pretty cool. I shouted out my YouTube channel on there like 7 times. They probably didn't like that. They probably won't even they probably won't even put anything on their channel with us in it, but it's all good.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I love you long time.
Stop counting this.
We flew in there.
Most fanciest sunshade I've ever seen. It's nice. Well, we are done with the show. We figure we're just gonna head home. 2-hour drive back into Phoenix. So it's always nice to wake up in your own bed. So we're gonna head out of here. See you in a bit. Well, good morning, everybody. This is the morning after the Overland Expo. My dad and I got back last night. He dropped me off and I just kind of unpacked and wound down. Went to bed early last night. I was exhausted for some reason. But yeah, just wanted to close up this video by letting you all know I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. Here in the next couple weeks, I will be overseas, abroad, and have a couple videos coming out of those adventures while I'm over there. So stay tuned, guys. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Appreciate everything, guys. See you.